Hello guys, and welcome to Minecraft! First episode of Minecraft. I got it yesterday, but I was playing with my mates on it. So yeah, let's start. Single player, create new world. Just gonna call it Dirt. Survival, hardcore, creative survival. Create new world. Just building terrain. So yeah guys, this is the first episode of Minecraft. There'll be other episodes of Minecraft soon. So yeah, hope you're looking forward to that. I'm just gonna start by collecting some wood. Some wood to start making wooden planks and so yeah. What else was I going to say? Yeah, so this is where I spawned, and I have no idea where the hell I'm going. Just collecting some wood. I'm not sure how many I need, so I might get 17. Should be enough to Right, there we go, let's go find somewhere to make the house. Climbing up the stairs. Well, up the glass, sorry. Dirt. Okay, let's go down here. It'll be dark soon, and I played on trying to play on survival yesterday, and because I only just got it yesterday, and it was so hard, man. I had nothing on me and I died. Even trying to make this just craft. Oh, there's plenty. There's plenty. Just swap them around. Let's do this. Whoa! How about there, guys? Is that a safe place to build the house? Ouch! That hurt. I'm bleeding out. How about here, guys? Comment below here or somewhere else. I think this is quite an awesome place. I think I'm just gonna have it here to get rid of the sand. So yeah, let's do this. Let's build a house. Let's do this. I'm not very good at building houses, so don't have a go at me. I don't want you there. Let's do this. along. Quick, let's do this before darkness comes. That's gonna be where the door is. Make it a bit longer. Hold on guys, I'm just gonna get the phone. Bye. Sorry about that, guys. So let's go back to the game and then start. God, it's like really hard to make houses on this game. What the? What? I ran out already? What? 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 Let's go harvest some more, baby. Let's go well, not harvest, but let's go get some more. Do this. We need to make a house before it becomes darkness. And then all the zombies and all the skeletons and creepers will come and get you. Yeah. Later on I shall be making episode 2. Depends on what I'm doing. Collect the wood, collect the wood, collect the wood. Do this. Like, before I collect any more, I need to go back, because otherwise I will get lost, and then I will lose my house. Right, let's go back. Here it is. What the? That went terribly wrong. long so I can do this. So I can do that. Make this a help, baby. Herpy dope dope. Herpy dope 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 dope. And then it's going to be one mid house, but shit, it's getting dark. It's getting dark. I'm not even done yet. Oh my god. It's getting dark. It's getting dark. Right, before we do anything else, let's just go over here. Let's go over here. Let's go over here. Let's go over here. Collect some more wood. You stay close to the house, and like, just go back. Jump, jump, herp, derp, derp. Right, next craft. Plenty of wood you found here. It's nearly done, it's nearly done. I'm going to be brave and go out into the woods. What's this one, guys? Can you craft that one? Let's just find out. Let's just find out. Let's find out. Let's find out. Do-do-do-do-do. Right, okay, let's go back. Look at that pretty house. Look at the pretty house. Right. Craft that. Oh, you can. Sweet! Yes, I know guys, it's a bit dark, but it'll do, it'll do. Uh-oh, I hear a spider. Ah! Get away! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Yeah, bitch. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Lock me in. Lock me in. Right, I don't know what to do now. So yeah, let's just have a peek. Oh yeah guys, this is where, shit. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, I'm trapped in a box. I should have done glass around the edges, but I haven't got any materials for glass. Right, if I take this down, it's probably like staring in my face like that. Yeah, I'm gonna get you in it. But there's a skeleton over there. Right guys, so yeah, thanks for watching episode 1 of Minecraft. Episode 2 should be done later or tomorrow. So yeah, thanks for watching and I shall see you soon.